Is it too late to buy Sei? SEI price blasts up 25% as Sponge Vito prepares to launch on exchanges. Last updated December 27, 2023, 5:14 EST. 5-min read disclosure. Crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. Sei Network's native token, Sei, has experienced a huge price surge over the past few weeks, spiking 25% over the past week alone, rising from 3,508 cents up to 4,488 cents as of writing. This latest uptrend comes as the blockchain sees growing usage and adoption. The SEI price first showed bullish momentum earlier in mid-December, jumping over 87% within days. This price movement aligned with updates about new features being added to improve Sei's functionality and interoperability. The developments seek to expand Sei's capabilities in the broader blockchain ecosystem. Subsequently, by December 25, SEI reached 3,928 cents, representing an 8% gain that contributed to the token's notable weekly returns. Additionally, yesterday's near 28% boost drove SEI to a new all-time high of 5,378 cents, capping off a period of immense value accretion for the SEI price. What's driving the recent SEI price surge? Several key factors explain the increasing enthusiasm for SEI among investors lately. Wake up this morning and see this total transactions on its Sei Network mainnet cross 1 billion and Sei we trust pic, Twitter. com/69d0ibuch, FinWallet at FinWallet December 25, 2023. The Sei Network surpassing 1 billion transactions marked a major milestone, demonstrating real-world adoption is growing. Additionally, new partnerships with entities like Kryptonite and Gecko Terminals showcase Sei's expanding ecosystem. At the same time, plan upgrades like ethereum compatibility make Sei more appealing for decentralized app developers. Comparisons to networks like Solana have stoked expectations of SEI capturing higher valuations as adoption rises. Backing by major venture firms like Multicoin Capital also lend credibility as Sei establishes itself as a promising Layer 1 contender. Combined with bullish technical indicators, these tailwinds have accounted for SEI's recent upside price action. SEI price prediction and technical analysis. After posting triple-digit gains and reaching a new all-time high of 5,378 cents, the Sei Network SEI price has pulled back over 10% so far today. With the SEI prices stabilizing above key support levels, technical indicators remain at a crossroads for the cryptocurrency. The 20-day EMA for the SEI price currently stands at 3,410 cents, crossing above the 50-day EMA of 2,684 cents. Typically, this alignment is seen as a bullish sign. However, the current downward price movement suggests some caution may be warranted before making major trading decisions based solely on this indicator. The RSI plunged from yesterday's overbought reading of 78.91 down to 68.48, coming off the peak. While still in bullish territory, this drop towards 70 signals potential for a larger pullback after the uptrend. The MACD histogram currently sits at 0.0146, down slightly from 0.0148 yesterday. The minimal change in momentum indicates consolidation rather than a major trend reversal at this point. With the SEI price pulling back from all-time highs, it faces initial support at the Fib 0.236 level of 4,637 cents. This correlates with the psychological 45 cents level, which has provided support today. If sellers push the SEI price lower, stronger support may emerge between 3,930 cents and 4,186 cents. This range aligns with the Fib 0.382 level at 4,175 cents. To confirm further upside potential, SEI needs to reclaim resistance at 5,378 cents. Beyond that, the Fib 0.236 level at 613 cents and the psychological 60 cents level may act as the next target. Overall, the SEI price appears to be consolidating gains following the recent surge. While deeply overbought RSI signals bounce potential, fading trading volumes highlight caution. Patiently awaiting a directional catalyst within defined risk limits may be prudent. A decisive break past 5,378 cents resistance or a drop below 3,930 cents support could set the next major trend. What to expect next for SEI? The recent SEI price surge has generated excitement, but sustaining upside momentum depends on long-term adoption and development progress. If the Sei team can deliver planned upgrades like ethereum compatibility and cross-chain interoperability, it may expand potential use cases and users. Onboarding new apps and users would validate Sei's value proposition. Forming integrations and partnerships to bootstrap network effects is also key for Sei as a new Layer 1. Real-world SEI adoption should justify positive price action based on fundamental utility. While traders react to technicals, SEI's long-term trajectory relies on Sei's evolution as a smart contract platform. Hitting milestones around performance, scalability, and functionality would cement Sei as an attractive blockchain option. Execution risks remain, though. Sei must deliver on its promises and differentiate itself from rivals in the coming months. But if Sei achieves its roadmap goals, it may support a bullish long-term outlook on SEI. While SEI's fundamentals have helped justify its climb, other cryptocurrencies rely more on marketing and community sentiment. Sponge V2's ongoing token presale plans to leverage the power of memes and incentives to attract investor interest. Sponge V2 presale offers opportunity to acquire sequel to popular meme coin. The developers behind the Sponge meme coin, which surged over 100x after its spring 2023 launch, have announced an updated version called Sponge V2 $Sponge. The only way to acquire Sponge V2 at this time is by staking and locking the VON version of the token. No $Sponge in your wallet. Don't miss out. Buy $Sponge via the home page widget on our website. Purchase tokens will automatically be staked in our V2 smart contract to secure a share of the V2 token once it launches. Time to absorb more damp. #Sponge V2 #memecoin #alts. Pick Twitter. com/zone-uso-fi $Sponge at SpongeNet December 27, 2023. According to the project's website, locked VON tokens will generate staking rewards paid in V2 tokens for a period of 4 years at a variable APY. The website also states that investors who buy and stake VON tokens prior to the supply selling out will receive a 100% purchase bonus in V2 tokens. The total supply of Sponge V2 is 150 billion tokens, divided between allocations for staking rewards 43.9%, VON purchase bonuses 26.93%, play-to-earn game development 4.47%, play-to-earn game rewards 8%, exchange liquidity 10%, and marketing 7.5%. Sponge V2 will operate on the Ethereum blockchain as an ERC20 token. The Sponge V2 roadmap outlines several goals, including listings on top exchanges like Binance and OKX, as well as the launch of a play-to-earn game. Rewards in V2 tokens will be given to players based on the game's leaderboard system. The original Sponge token gained substantial popularity in a short period, attracting over 20,000 social media followers within weeks of launch. It also listed on major centralized exchanges like Gate.io and achieved a peak market cap of close to $100 million. IMG SRC equals https://com/roman6/id/hq default. JPG alt equals with equals 480 height equals 360 iframe title equals &128,640. Get ready for Sponge V2 100x gains again. &127,775. Unleashing the ultimate game changer. &127,754. &128,176 with equals 640 height equals 360 SRC equals https://www.youtube.com/embed/h existo azarog feature equals own frame border equals 0 allow equals accelerometer autoplay clipboard write encrypted media gyroscope picture-in-picture web share allow full screen /iframe. Building on the original token's viral meme status, Sponge V2 seeks to become a fixture in the crypto space with incentives and UTIs to deepen user loyalty. The project shows promise to achieve mainstream adoption if it can follow through on ambitious roadmap goals. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter or quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. This site is protected by reCAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy in terms of service supply. IMG SRC equals https://simg co/p/ml300 JPEG alt equals image class equals img ID equals newsletter pop-up img